So hello my friends, Devaun Lennox here, PhotographyPX. In today's video I want to show you some test footage from our first outdoors daytime flight with the brand new DJI Mavic Mini 2 drone. In this particular video you will see how the camera captures footage completely on the default settings. We are shooting in 4K, but we're using the fully automatic mode. Fully automatic white balance. I have not shot in a log profile or made any color adjustments or any post-processing changes whatsoever to this particular clip you're going to see. If you do have a 4K capable device, I would encourage you to check it out in 4K if that's a possibility as well. But otherwise, I hope you enjoyed this clip and you also have a better understanding of the image quality that this drone produces during the daytime in a more suburban scene. So there you have it, my friends. There is some test footage of us flying our DJI Mavic Mini 2 drone during the daytime. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, or feel like I've overlooked something during the course of this video, please let me know in the comments down below. Also, if you have any suggestions on the kind of content that we should create for this new release, please let me know as well. Also, while you're down in the description box down below, we've launched a new brand called pxpresets.com. PX Presets is going to be your next one and only stop for Lightroom presets until we launch Photoshop and other platform presets. But here you can find both desktop and mobile presets to get you started in a variety of different mediums more powerfully and upgrade your imaging and take your images to the next level. That link to pxpresets.com will be in the description box down below. Please check that out if you're in the market for some exciting Lightroom presets. But until next time, my friends, I've been your host, Devaun Lennox. I will see you in the next video.